There's no one here.
So there's no one in the register under the name of Horman.
There's no one by the name of Michael Ower in the system.
There's no one in the car, Harry. What?
There's no one here by that name.
You're sitting there, and the screen is enormous, and the sound is fantastic, and there's no one in front of you.
Why are you whispering? There's no one else here.
No, there's no one here by that name, sorry.
There's no one better than him.
One here by that name, you've got the wrong number.
Everyone is king when there's no one left to find.
There's no one else I could trust with this.
Sorry, there's no one by the description on this flight.
There's no one at all. Maybe if you check under Margaret?
They're gone. There's no one down there.
There's no one here, sir.
There's no one within 25 miles, believe me. That's what my dad always thought, and now there's no one to disprove him.
Look, there's no one here, Frank.
Now, I want to assure you both that no one here is accusing you girls of anything.
Really? There's no one else who could come today?
There's no one to cook for or fuss over.
I know it's not my place to say this, but there's no one else here to say it to you.
I want you to know there's no one smarter than me.
Dan, there's no one else. No one else.
I was just...
There's no one else.
There's no one that knows gamma radiation like you do.
There's no one else in here?
You in here?
No one here dies unless I say so!
Oh my God. Okay, no one here is the bad guy.
No one here is smart enough, including the rocket scientist.
Does no one here want to know the truth, Mr. Archer?
No one here was ever able to give us an exact accounting of how much money was actually stolen.
But in case you haven't noticed, there's no one else here.